I tell him, you know, to get more water clearance now. You know, but we can't do anything. This is an act of nature. Can't do nothing. Yeah, but is this man I feeling sorry for, boy? 3 vehicles. Watch out that all you. Hey, look. Watch what going on here, all you. Look, watch. The guy, my tenant is air condition he doing. Watch what going on there. So everything I have on his side, all my plants on them. All my plants on them on his side. Watch out that. Water like that. Can't do nothing. Can't do nothing. What? Skin a park? Only what something now? Watch this now. That float, that car floating in that water, you know. I hope all you understand what it is saying, you know. Where this man trying to go? He just bringing more water here. He's shipping or what? He going through that? Boy, but you far old man, you bringing. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, man? He like he nowadays, you know. He must, you know, coming from church. Hey! Oh shit! Wait, look the gate break down. Look the gate break down. Oh God! Oh shit! Oh God! No! No! And he in the vehicle. No! Only the gate break down. Oh my God! Oh no! We don't want that. Only the gate breaking down. Oh God! Hold up that gate, please. I'm begging you. Hold up that gate. Hold up that gate in the blood of Jesus. Hold up that gate. He inside the vehicle, you know. Oh God, no. Boy.